Vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold they chat.
Hey, I'm Kaz. Welcome to my channel. This is the first official video of this channel, so I'm super excited. This channel will be about DIYs, all things fashion, more specifically garment construction. But you guys are basically going to come with me on my journey as a creative and basically hold myself accountable and stay consistent and all that jazz. So this video is going to be about a basic breakdown of different parts of a lock stitch industrial machine. And I do want to make a part two that kind of goes more in depth about the machine, but this is just a quick little video I wanted to put together for right now. All right, let's get started. So this is your on and off switch or your main switch. This is your needle guard. It, like it sounds like, it protects your finger from getting caught in the machine. This is your presser foot, and your presser foot works with the teeth that's in the plates to basically keep tension on your fabric, and it helps feed your fabric through the machine, basically. This is a back tack function. Not every Juki has one like this, but I can explain what a back tack function is later on. This is a tension disc. Again, exactly what it sounds like. It helps keep tension on the thread so that way your stitches stay nice and clean and not jumbled. Sometimes you might have to adjust it to kind of like make sure the tension is right. That is part two of the tension disc. It all works together to make sure that the thread is nice and tight. This is a back tack function, which is more commonly used usually on these machines. This is a stitch regulator. It basically gives like it helps you change the width of your stitches basically. This is a balance wheel. Balance wheel basically helps move the needle up and down. And this is a function that is another tension disc basically, but this one helps thread your bobbin. So over here would be the bobbin, and the bobbin, I can explain what it does later on, but this will help you wind your bobbins. And in another video, I can show you exactly how to thread the machine and wind a bobbin and set up your machine so you can get ready to sew. Yeah. Um, so the back tack function up front, basically what you would do is you would stitch on your fabric going forward. This is actually where you would find your bobbin. You would just move that to the side. It actually slides over. I just couldn't do it in the moment because of my nails, but um, your back tack function is basically what you would use to secure your stitches. So when you would make a few stitches forward, about 3 or 4, then you would press the back tack and you would stitch like normal, and what it would do is reverse the stitching, and then you would go over that again with a regular stitch, and then you would do that when you start stitching and when you finish stitching, just to make sure that your stitches stay in place. So this right here is your bobbin case, and your bobbin case holds your bobbin, what I was talking about earlier. This lever right here is what you would, it's like a latch, what you would open to basically remove the bobbin, and just to place it in place, you would just put it back just like that. There is a particular way to put your bobbin in the bobbin case, but I can show you that in a later video. But this is just the basic for right now. Pretty short, I know, but I'll go more in depth later. But yeah. I know that was a bit short, but I'll make a part two, and this was just an intro, but thanks for watching.